president should, and his deputy, they should move faster and reach out to Raila. Mama Aida yuko huko, awapigie chakula wakule, tuone kwa television. Kenyans will be happy. That will be a true initiative of trying to reach out to your opponent. This nation is respected. Kenyans are competitive. Kenyans are hardworking people. Kenyans are peaceful people. Kenyans, you know, they are educated. Kenyans are respected here and abroad. And therefore, we should behave in that manner. Normal Kenyan worker wants peace. Normal Kenyan worker is concerned about food in his house. Normal Kenyan worker is concerned about rent. Normal Kenyan worker is concerned about school fees. Normal Kenyan worker is concerned about his or her transport to and fro to the places where, various places that are involved in working. And this is what Kenyans want. Kenyans want peace.